guys, this is Abigail with the education team coming to you from my yard. Now I have a really fun activity for you guys, and it is creating a butterfly. You guys only need two things. You guys need 3 pipe cleaners of any color, and then some beads.
You're going to take your 3 pipe cleaners and fold them in half. Now your pipe cleaners can be any color that you choose. Next, take a pipe cleaner and 5 beads and place them on the folded end of the pipe cleaner. Make sure you leave some space at the very end to fold over to keep the beads on. Step 3, take a pipe cleaner and unfold it. Center it right above the beads on the beaded pipe cleaner and wrap it around once. Create a loop on one side, and you want to leave a little extra at the end to wrap around the center pipe cleaner. Now you want to repeat on the other side. Take the 3rd pipe cleaner and place it just above the lower ones. Wrap it around the center like you did with the previous pipe cleaners and create the loops on either side. Once the wings are done, place the last bead over the top portion of the beaded pipe cleaner. This will become the head. After the bead is on, spread out the top part to create antennas. Now take a pen or pencil and wrap each individual antenna around the pen or pencil to obtain the curl of the butterfly antennas.
Thank you guys so much for joining me in building your own butterfly. I hope you guys had an absolute blast. You'll have to go out and explore your neighborhood to see what butterflies you guys find. And we look forward to seeing you guys very soon at the Naples Botanical Garden.